cope during the day. Evening and nights were hell.
As I was becoming more aware of it, it was a mixture of really being sad, but also being worried about how I was going to cope.
The worst moment was when the psychiatrist actually said the words, "Your mother has got dementia."
Paul was a wonderful man. We would have been married 54 years in April. Very caring, and a big blow when he was diagnosed with Lewy body dementia.
Always had a fairly close relationship with Dad. He started forgetting things or not realising what I was saying to him. And at first you get irritated with that, and then after a while it becomes a pattern and you realise it's not his fault.
I used to phone my daughter, who lived round the corner, Karen, and she would come around at 2 or 3 in the morning. Sorry.
I love you.
You do? Yes, I do.
It was just looking at your parent, realising that they're not going to be the same.
Currently, there is no one place to go to find all the care guidance you need.
When I realised what was going on, it was a bit difficult to know where to turn, because you really want one source who can just point you completely in the right direction. And what happened was that people were signposting me in a lot of different directions.
I did a lot of Googling, but I didn't actually receive what I felt was any kind of resource that we could look at as the carer.
We have seen over and over that people are struggling to know what to do in the moment they need care. And that is about the most simple and basic care to more complex issues like funding, how to access social services, how to access information about care-related topics.
Although there was lots of things out there, which were sometimes difficult to get, you want something, just one area that encompasses everything. I felt, I'm not getting anything, somebody help me. Are they just going to write him off?
Nightingale Hammerson is a recognized leading provider of older social care and is best placed to offer expertise within the community. Sharing education and expertise with the wider care community is not new to us. Reach will take this one step further and will share our knowledge with everyone.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Reach by Nightingale Hammerson is here to help you find the information you need in one place through our e-learning, face-to-face workshops and community events, all run by a wide range of experts.
The REACH programme is really important because those caring for people living at home will be able to better support their relative living well at home for longer.
It would make me feel not alone. It will make me feel there's somebody out there who wants to help me. It will make me comfortable. It would have helped a lot.
Reach will create a community of thousands of people that will help each other. It will be exciting, it will be up to date, and it will be people helping people.